Hello my dear students. Today we will study EVS Class 3 Term 1 Unit 1 Living World Chapter 2 The World of Plants. In this video we will cover the topics parts of a plant, root, functions of the root, shoot, and rest of the topics we will cover in our next video. बच्चों, at the end of this chapter you are able to answer these questions. What are the visible and non-visible parts of the plants? Plants के ऐसे कौन से parts हैं जो कि visible means दिखाई देते हैं and non-visible means दिखाई नहीं देते हैं. How are the various parts of plants useful to us? Plants के जो various parts हैं वो हमारे लिए किस तरह useful हैं? Can you tell what work the roots, stem and leaves do? Plants के जो different parts हैं roots, stem और leaves, what are their functions? उनके क्या काम हैं? Plants are living things like us. As we need food, air and water to grow, plants also need air, water, minerals, salts, sunlight and good care to grow. Students, जैसे कि हम human beings living things हैं, वैसे ही plants भी living things हैं. Just like us, plants also need food, air and water to grow. They need air, water, minerals, salt, sunlight and good care to grow. A plant has different parts like root, stem, branches, leaves, buds, flowers, fruits, etc. Each part of the plant has its own functions. जैसे हमारे बॉडी के पार्ट्स के हर एक पार्ट का अलग अलग फंक्शन होता है, अलग अलग काम होता है, वैसे ही प्लांट के भी डिफरेंट पार्ट्स होते हैं जैसे कि रूट, स्टेम, ब्रांचेस, लीव्स, बर्ड्स, फ्लावर्स, फ्रूट और इस सारी चीज़ों का सारे ही पार्ट्स का अलग अलग काम होता है. लेट अस स्टडी अबाउट वेरियस पार्ट्स ऑफ प्लांट एंड देयर फंक्शंस. Parts of a plant. We can divide the parts of a plant into two groups, mainly root and shoot. The root, the part of the plant that is under or below the soil is called the root. Beta, you can see here in this picture the part which is under or below the soil and which is not visible to us. ये हमको दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है. That is called the root. The part of the plant which is above the soil and can be seen is called the shoot. The part of that plant which is above the soil, जो soil के ऊपर है and that is visible to us, जो हमको दिखाई भी दे रहा है, that is called the shoot. उसे shoot बोलते हैं. And the shoot system has different parts. You can see here stem, branches, fruit, flowers, leaf. These are all parts combinedly we can say shoot. Root. The roots are present below the soil. You can see here it is present below the soil. They are of two types. We can divide roots also in two types. The first is taproot and second fibrous root. Taproot. A root having one main root and other smaller root branches coming out of it is called a taproot. Examples of plants having taproots are neem, mango, peepal, bean, etc. Fibrous root. A root in which a number of root branches grow from one single point at the base of the stem is called a fibrous root. Examples of plants having fibrous roots are wheat, onion, rice, grass, etc. Students, as you can see here, taproot. Taproot में एक main root होता है and other roots are the branches which is coming out from the main root. And here in fibrous root there is no any main root. All are the branches from the end of the stem. They are coming out. So you can see the difference here between taproot and fibrous root. Functions of the root. Root के क्या function है? The root fixes the plant firmly in the soil. Root हमारी plant को अच्छे से पकड़ कर रखता है सॉइल के नीचे, ताकि प्लांट जब ज़्यादा बारिश होती है और तेज़ हवाएं चलती है तो गिरे नहीं. इसीलिए रूट जो है वो फिक्स करता है प्लांट को सॉइल के नीचे. The root helps the plant to absorb water and mineral salts from the soil. Root water और minerals salt को ऑब्जर्व करने में भी प्लांट की हेल्प करता है. The root sends the absorbed water and mineral salts to the stem. Roots का ही काम होता है कि वे वाटर और मिनरल सॉल्ट को स्टेम के माध्यम से प्लांट के अदर पार्ट तक पहुंचाए. Roots of some plants store extra food in them. बेटा, some plants they store extra food in their roots like carrot, turnip, beetroot and radish. These are all roots which we are eating. Examples as you can see here. Now we will study about the shoot. The shoot is seen above the soil. As you can see in this picture, shoot is visible to us. The upper part of the plant which is visible, that is called the shoot. The shoot system consists of stem, branches, leaves, buds, flowers and fruit. The stem. The stem is the main part of the shoot system. All the other parts of a plant like branches, leaves, buds, flower, fruit, etc. grow on it. Stem जो होता है वो हमारे shoot system का main part होता है, और branches, leaves, buds, flowers, fruit जो होते हैं वो सारे stem पर ही grow करते हैं. All plants do not have the same type of stem. सारे ही plants के same stem नहीं होते हैं बच्चों. Like some plants like coconut, neem, banyan. आपने देखा होगा coconut tree, neem tree and banyan tree. They are having hard and strong and woody stems called trunks. उनके stems जो होते हैं वो बहुत ही hard होते हैं और strong होते हैं, और उनकी लकड़ियाँ भी हमारे बहुत काम आती है. That is called the trunks. Some plants like the banana tree have soft and green stems. आपने देखा होगा कि जो बनाना ट्री होता है उसका जो स्टेम होता है वो बहुत ही सॉफ्ट होता है और ग्रीन होता है. इसीलिए वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड हियर दैट ऑल द स्टेम्स आर नॉट ऑफ सेम टाइप. Some creepers and climbers like money plant, gourds, grapes, etc. have very soft and weak stems. Students, you can see money plant, gourds and grapes plant. All they are having very soft and very weak stems. इनके stems बहुत ही कमज़ोर होते हैं, and they climb up taking support of the other trunks of other plants or creep on the ground too. तो इनके support के लिए हमें या तो इनको support देना पड़ता है other plants का, otherwise they are growing in the soil also, means in the upper part of the soil. They need support to grow up. Functions of the stem. Stem के क्या कार्य हैं? The stem supports and holds the plant upright. Stem जो है वो प्लांट को सपोर्ट करता है और होल्ड करता है सीधे खड़े होने में, upright. It bears branches, leaves, bud, flowers and fruits. It carries water and mineral salts from the roots to the leaves. Stem water और mineral salt को roots से plant के other parts में पहुंचाता है. Food prepared by the leaves is transported or carried to different parts of plant through the stem. Stem की से ही जो leaves जो हैं जो food prepare करती हैं, that is the work of stem only to transport it into different parts of the plant. As you can see here, water moving up in the stem and food moving to all parts through the stem. Stems of some plants store extra food in them. कुछ प्लांट्स के जो स्टेम होते हैं वो अपने अंदर एक्स्ट्रा फूड को स्टोर कर लेते हैं. सच स्टेम्स आर एडिबल. एडिबल मीन्स खाने योग्य. वो स्टेम्स हम खा सकते हैं. दैट इज एडिबल फॉर अस और फिट फॉर ईटिंग. एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ सच स्टेम्स आर potato, ginger, turmeric, onion, garlic and sugarcane. Of these, potatoes, ginger, turmeric, onion and garlic are underground stems. ये जो एग्जाम्पल्स अभी हमने पढ़े ये सारे स्टेम्स के एग्जाम्पल हैं which are edible or fit to eat. We are eating these stems.